my goodness, look at this guy over here. Dang, you're buffer than Dad. Look at that. Oh man, look at your muscles. Dang, you look good. All right, come here.
Okay.
I'm gonna go camping for a couple days, and while I'm gone, you have to protect your mama, okay?
Okay.
You gotta lock the front door, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right, love you.
Love you too.
Love you too. All right, bye.
Bye.
Ready to sail into the wind, is to find my reason, longing for something greater than this, and I'm ripe with anticipation. Yeah, I have a good greater than this, and I'm ripe with anticipation. Yeah, I have a good feeling later than this, and I'm ripe with anticipation. Yeah, I have a good longing for something greater than this, and I'm ripe with anticipation. Yeah, I have a good feeling later than this, and I'm ripe with
Whoa! Man, it's a big fish. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I was working so hard for this fish. I was about to give up. I thought it was a snag. Yeah! Come on. Almost ready. Almost ready. Come on. Come on. Come on. I got you. I got you. Oh my gosh! Look at this tank! Oh! Oh my gosh! Jesus! He's a tank! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Ah! The hook's barely in. Got him right in the side of the mouth. Oh, there we go, there we go. Got it. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so big. Look out, Woody. Move, move, Woody. Yes, he's off. Oh my God, yes. Yes. All right, we just nailed that guy. It's getting dark. I'm gonna have to go find my camp spot. You see my truck? Where's my truck? Truck's right up there. Fished all day, didn't catch anything, and was about to give up. Started casting against the flow, and if you trout fish, you know that it's a good way to get a snag. And so I was like, whatever. And I thought I got a snag, and it was a fish. It was a huge fish. It's the biggest fish I've caught out here. I know the video didn't do it justice, but I could barely fit my hand around him. It's like a small football. You ready, Woody?
Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun.
All right, this is home for the night. The sun just went down. What's up, buddy? You want to get off your leash? Ready? Go on. I'll set up my bed right here. I'm gonna get ready to go to sleep. All right, all done. This is why I like staying in my truck, because it's super easy. I don't have to set up a tent. But I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy that sunset, edit some of this video. Woody's already sleeping, he's tired. And we'll go catch some more fish tomorrow. All right, next morning I'm at the river. I'm gonna fish this river for a little bit. I think I'm gonna go to a lake today and explore it, maybe have some lunch. We'll see. What's up, Woody, you ready? Again, here we go. He's just a little guy. Much smaller. Look at my hand. But it's much smaller than yesterday's. The other one barely fit in my hand. Oh, there he goes. Okay, he's off. Safe. Oh man, that's it. Sun's going down. I just got my fish. Woody and I are gonna go back to our campsite, eat dinner, get ready for bed. Got him. Yeah. Another one. Oh, another one. This guy's a little heavier. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! This guy, dang, this guy really wants to get away. Oh, much bigger, right? All right, now I'm done for the day. Let's go let this guy go. All right, that was the last cast. Beautiful night that I am getting to go to sleep outside. I'm gonna clean up all of my food, get ready to go. Tomorrow morning, I'm leaving first thing in the morning. It's about 30 degrees out here and everything's covered in frost. I have a good sleeping bag, but still, it's very, excuse me, it's very, very cold. Definitely got what I needed out of this trip. I've slept in, I took a nap today. I mean, in the car, that video you've seen of me putting down my hat, I actually took a 3-hour nap and it felt good, just middle of the day. back to the gym tomorrow. It's filling up. Getting there early to get things situated. I'm thinking about getting like a tent for the outside, so then the rowers, once it gets cold, I can put a little heater in there, and it can kind of like, you know, we can put up walls. Just tons of ideas going through my head. I'm so happy that things are getting busy, and I really feel like now it's the time, because before things would get busy and then I would do something to fuck it up, and things would get busy, I would do something to fuck it up, and I've learned along the way, and I feel like now I'm in a good position to keep it going and keep adding and to keep growing the gym. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week.